Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are absolutely fine and sound. And here we are talking about the genai Academy APAC edition. You can see two challenges and two problem statements are live for the genai Academy APAC edition. If you want to participate in the hackathon, get certificate, swags, for that you have to complete this particular challenge over here. One more important thing, I'm making it clear that not everyone is getting the swags. A lot of you are saying that some people have said that will be getting swags also by participating into this event. So for participating and getting swags, that program is different. That is Google Cloud Arcade. I've shared the link in the description and pinned comment. From there you can watch it and participate in those programs. But genai Academy is totally different. Here you're learning about how to build the apps, how to deploy it, how to build cool projects, all things you are learning free of cost. So you need to understand about it. It's a competition. So here we have two problem statements. Okay. One is AI for better living. You have to build something related to public safety, education, healthcare. You can see all these addresses they have given ideas. Okay. Similarly for data challenge, they have also given some of the ideas over here. So I'll suggest if you're participating for the first time and beginner, go with this. Now for this project, a lot of you are asking that prepare a project guide. So we are working on it, but chances are there if the video does not come up, what you can do, here we have already provided multiple challenges, whether it's related to the prompt words challenge, whether it's related to 5 to code hackathon. You can see, I'll attach the playlist link in the description. You can see here we have the playlist. So we have used for the Kaggle hackathon also, that is the 5 days AI agent intensive vibe coding course. You can see all these projects are there. We have built multiple projects over here. So you can try any of these projects. One thing I will suggest, do not blindly copy paste. Chances are there if you blindly copy paste and submit the same project which I have built, you may get disqualified. Okay. So in simple words, I'll suggest just watch the video properly, try to understand the concept, build your own product, and then you can submit it. How to submit? You might be thinking. For that also I've attached the master sheet in the description. For the genai Academy APAC edition also we have a master sheet. We have covered everything from how to make the PPT, how to submit the deployment link, all things are there. So here you can see, you'll scroll down, track 1, live project with PPT guide. So from this video also you can take the help. Now coming over here, what are the submission things we have to do? So a deployed link, a GitHub repository, demo video link, brief description. Okay. Deployment link you can deploy on any place, Cloud Run, Azure, AWS, Virtual, any of the thing you can use, any of the resources you can use for deployment. Final PPT, you have to use the same PPT which they have provided. You can download or directly open from Google Slides. Okay, you can download also, and you can mention all the problem statement, ideas, diagram, flows, flow chart, etc. all the things over there. Now what you have to share, you have to convert that particular PPT. You can say PPT or deck, both means same over here. Okay, you have to upload it in the form of PDF. You can convert it. GitHub repository you have to share where all your code, whatever you have built, is pushed on it. Okay, we have covered everything on the video. You can watch it and understand how to push the code, how to create a GitHub account. Now from here you have to select the challenge and then a brief description about the particular product or project which you have built and the demo video. Maximum time duration of the demo video is 3 minutes, up to 3 minutes. So try to make it, how to explain, just make the product, okay, whatever product you are making, explain about the working. You can show the coding part also somehow, and if you don't want to show the coding part, you can directly explain the project with a demo. Okay, and then you have to click on submit, and then after that there will be some different phases also. Currently the hackathon phase is live. The submission is closing on 6th of July 11:59 p.m. It's open for different countries also, as it is APAC edition. Okay, so this time may get extended. If it is extended, I'll update you. As of now, the date is this. So keeping this in mind, try to complete the challenges, complete the projects beforehand so that you can win the prizes also. Now coming over here, if you have any doubt, do tell me in the comment section. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day.